Hello everyone, we are here with an interesting video that will help you make a decision by showing you the top selling tool sets available. If you're curious to learn more about these products, check out the description to find out the most recent costs and details. At first, we have the Crescent CTK180. You are covered with the majority of circumstances with 180 pieces, 82 sockets in popular metric and SAE sizes, a bit driver and 42 bits, 12 combination wrenches, 4 screwdrivers, 2 pliers, and other tools are included in the kit. There are 2 1/4-inch and 3/8 inch driver 72 tooth ratchets. The storage container is one of this set's outstanding qualities, and the interior compartments make it simple to arrange the tools so that each one has a suitable, accessible location. When closed, the handy handle allows you to transport this set on jobs that call for moving around. If you don't have enough room, it's also simple to keep in the trunk of your car, under a bed, in a closet, or anywhere else. Next is DEWALT DWMT 7301. In all 4 of our metrics, the DEWALT 108-piece mechanics toolkit and socket set perform quite well. As soon as we attached sockets to the ratchet, the tool's quality and functionality became clear. We continually worked on ski bindings and bicycles at home. The theme became simple to build and securely connected. 2 metal locks that snap firmly into place are found on the carrying case, which is lightweight and portable, and there are no pliers, tape measures, or hammers. This might be the ideal toolbox for you though, if you already own the other products or didn't mind buying them individually. Next up, we have the Amazon Basics. A great assortment of home tools are included in this Amazon Basics 173-piece hand tool set package, which is incredibly affordable. A small hammer, a saw, several pliers, a tape measure, a few nails, a few screws, and even a reading level are included. When hanging artwork, the level, snapped-off blade, and compact socket set are all practical, and here they also include ergonomic grips with softened edges on their screwdrivers and magnetic bit drivers, which aid in maintaining your grip. The toolkit's capabilities are increased by the driver's 20 extra Torx, Phillips, flathead, hex, and square head bits. Overall, we were impressed with the quality and usefulness of this tool set. Anybody looking for a basic tool selection on a budget should check out Amazon Basics in our opinion. Next is Channellock. This 5-piece Channellock plier set is clearly committed to upholding tradition. They have the best large tongue and groove pliers in the test, which many of us refer to as Channellocks. They are required to grip pipes during plumbing operations since they have the broadest size range, and the side joint pliers and diagonal cutters are at the top of the list as well. The latter silently and effectively cut through plastic and wire without scattering shrapnel. Its needle nose pliers also have the thinnest tip in the range, which makes them ideal for working precisely in small spaces. All provide effortless action with minimal to no play. Leverage is abundant because of the long handles and vinyl sheath. Thus, there is no need to search further if you require pliers. Given the high caliber of each tool, it is difficult to envisage these failing. For anyone wishing to create tool collection that will last a lifetime, this plier set is perfect. Lastly, we have the Craftsman CMMT 99446. This 57-piece Craftsman home kit is a reliable little tool set. It has the best selection of fundamental tools if your tasks aren't particularly complex. Its slide joint pliers and fiberglass and fiber handle hammer are among the test's better solutions, and they are simple to use and provide a cozy grip. The screwdrivers are good to use and enjoyable to hold. Plus, this kit even provides you with a ratcheting screwdriver with a bit adapter, rather than the magnetic bit driver that many other kits contain. In order to tackle a variety of screws, you can use it for bolts or attach a Torx, Phillips, or flathead screw. The compact size of the socket set is useful. Although it's not the best, it functions enough. Standard hex key sets with metric and SAE dimensions are also included in the 2 sets.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.